guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to show you a quick and a simple way to make your coconut milk at home. So right away I have 2 coconuts here. I'm using fresh matured coconuts. Then I have here warm water. So right away we are just going to start without waste of time. Before you make your coconut milk, you have to break open your coconuts from the shell, then separate it from the shell. So I have already done that. Look how fresh the coconuts are looking like. We are just going to open up the coconut, then bring the coconut water into a cup. I'm using a little knife to do this. So after I've separated the water from the coconut, I'm just going to break the coconut into the size I can handle. Remember, you can use your food processor to do this because I'm out of power supply, so I can't really do that. I'm just going to use a grater, which I use for my kitchen, to grate this into tiny pieces. So after I've done that, I'm just going to start blending the coconut. This is what I'm using. So once you're done blending, this is the result you get. It doesn't matter what you use to blend your coconut. You can use your food processor or blend it manually like I did. All you need is this beautiful result. So the next thing is to extract the coconut milk. So you're going to add some warm water into the coconut you blended. Make sure the water is warm enough for your hand to handle, otherwise you can use cold water to do this. Once you've done that, you're going to pass this over a colander, or you can use a fine mesh to do this. All you just need to do is to strain the water, which is the milk. You use your hand to squeeze this. And then you can pour the chaff back to the bowl. If you want more of the liquid, you can still add water to this and strain. So once you're done straining your coconut milk, you can serve this as you want, or just preserve it in the fridge for 24 hours. You know, coconut milk has so many uses and benefits. You use it to make chicken sauce, you can use it for coconut rice, and you can use it for other recipes. So whatever you want to use your coconut milk for, that's left for you. I'm going to store this in the fridge and also drink this immediately once it's chilled. Coconut milk can be preserved in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. You can preserve this in the fridge, or you can get this frozen. You can defrost it whenever you want to use it. For the coconut chaff, you can use this to make coconut brittle, coconut cookies, coconut fufu, or whatever you want to use this for. So that was how to make coconut milk. This was my own way of extracting coconut milk at home. I hope you have learned something from me today. Thanks for watching my recipe. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friend, and also drop your comments and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.